So today we will start with ascending tracts of spinal cord. Ascending tracts are nothing but the tracts which carry the sensation from periphery to the brain. When they are carrying sensation from periphery to the brain, here sometimes more than 2 or 3 neurons are involved here. So these neurons which are involved to carry the sensation from periphery to the brain, they are called as first order neuron, second order neuron and third order neuron. The first order neuron, here it receives the sensory impulses from the receptor, and then it sends these sensory impulses from the receptor to the sensory neuron which is present in the posterior gray horn of spinal cord. Then the second order neuron, these are the sensory neurons which are present here in the posterior gray horn. They carry the sensory impulses from posterior gray horn up to the different areas of brain below cerebral cortex, that is subcortical areas such as thalamus. Then the third order neuron, these are the neurons which are present here in the subcortical areas below the cerebral cortex, and these neurons will carry these sensory impulses from the subcortical area up to the sensory area of cerebral cortex. So these are called as third order neuron. Now next we will study about a tract, that is anterior spinothalamic tract. Here in this anterior spinothalamic tract, the first order neuron is situated in the posterior nerve root ganglia, second order neuron is situated in the chief sensory nucleus of posterior gray horn, and the third order neuron is situated in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus. So here about the anterior spinothalamic tract. Anterior spinothalamic tract, it is a sensory tract which carries the crude touch sensation. Crude touch sensation means this is a sensation where we cannot localize that sensation with the help of a finger, or it is also called as a non-discriminative sensation. The situation of this tract, this tract is situated in the anterior white funiculus near the periphery. Now the first order neuron which is situated in the posterior nerve root ganglia will receive this sensation from various pressure receptors, and then this crude touch sensation from these pressure receptors will be carried to the second order neuron. This second order neuron, it is situated in the chief sensory nucleus of posterior gray horn. Here you can see this is the chief sensory nucleus which is situated in the posterior gray horn. Now from here the fibers are crossing to the opposite side. You can see this red colored line. The fibers are opposing to the opposite side, and these fibers will cross to the opposite side, and then they will enter into the anterior white column of opposite side. Now from this anterior white column of opposite side, these fibers are ascending upward now. These fibers will ascend upward, they will cross the brain stem, and finally they will reach to the thalamus here. So here these fibers will terminate there in the thalamus in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus. Now the third order neuron is arising from this ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus, and this third order neuron which is situated in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus will carry the sensory impulses to the sensory area of cerebral cortex. Finally these fibers will reach to the sensory area of cerebral cortex here. Yes. Now the function of this tract is to carry the sensation of crude touch. Effect of lesion in this tract, if there is any lesion, that is bilateral lesion in this tract, that leads you to loss of crude touch sensation and loss of sensation like itching and tickling. If there is unilateral lesion, that causes loss of sensation on opposite side. So this is about the anterior spinothalamic tract. The first order neuron here is posterior nerve root ganglia. Second order neuron is situated in chief sensory nucleus of posterior gray horn, and third order neuron is situated in the ventral posterolateral nucleus of thalamus.